Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Scratch's door icon from the Amazing Digital Circus. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing a large circle. And then let's thicken it up by drawing another circle around. And then let's color this in black. Now let's hop in and let's draw a curve across the top for the top of the head. Then let's bring it down with a short line on the right side and a longer line down on the left. Now underneath the left, let's step in and let's draw an angle down and over to the left. And a curve down on the right. Next, we're going to hop in and draw the eyes. Along the left here, let's draw a bump up and bring it down. Now let's hop over to the right and let's draw the next eye with a large curve up and back down. And close it off with a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside each eye and let's draw an oval on an angle. And then we're going to draw a larger oval behind, starting with the curve across. And then continue it underneath and back over to the right side. And let's color these both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's add the ears. On the top right, let's draw a curve across, bringing it out. And then let's add a long curve all the way down. Now let's hop in and let's start next to the eye and let's add another curve down. And then curve it back out to close off the bottom of the ear. And then for the other ear, let's hop over to the left and let's draw a curve out near the top and bring it down. And that's it for the ears. Now let's continue the snout on the left. We'll start with a curve down. And then curve it back in, stopping here. Now let's add a small curve at the end. Now let's hop back out and underneath, let's add another small curve down. And curve it back in. Now let's hop inside and draw the nose. On the top left, let's add a curve across and bring it down. Then let's curve it over, add a bump up, another curve over, and one more bump. And that's it for the snout. Now let's hop in and let's draw an oval across underneath the right eye. And then lastly, 2 lines down underneath for the neck. And that's it for Scratch's door icon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!